You're showing something interesting here. What is this?
So this is called, this is a Stratus Explorer. The company is called Ultrahaptics. And what they're doing is they're using ultrasound to create haptic feedback in midair.
I'm feeling haptics in the air.
Without touching the sensor. So they're using...
My hand is vibrating.
So they're actually using a leap motion controller there, which is tracking your hand position.
Okay.
And they're using that to position the feedback so it's always on the palm of the hand. And they move that around to create the illusion of 3D shapes in space. So we have this demo here, which is force fields.
This could be used for a holographic touch, right?
Yeah, exactly.
Maybe if you have a hologram and you want to be able to feel what you're touching.
So if you have like VR or AR, so you get some kind of sense that you're touching an object or you're interacting with it, or even just in free space. So if you're controlling an object when you're actually touching the screen, to give you an idea of whether you've successfully done something or not.
And it has just some cool colors for no reason, right? It's just colors.
I think those are the debug LEDs. They are to tell you. They're to tell you something useful, but not to me.
And there's ARM Cortex-A and M in there.
So there's an M in the tracker here. There's an M which handles the USB traffic, and there's a Cortex-A which is controlling the ultrasound array.
I can feel the ball up here. How high does it work?
So there's the limit is actually how far away you can track the hand. The ultrasound itself you can get up to nearly a meter, but in this case the leap motion loses a little bit of accuracy once you go above maybe 30 or 40 centimeters, and if it's not exactly on the hand, you don't feel the feedback. So that's really the limit.
Could you just crank up the haptics so I can feel like a big shake?
It's not the haptics that you need to crank up. What you need to do is use some other tracking technology, have an array of leap motion or maybe an
array of these.
Yeah, or internal wheel sense or something like that to
ultrasonic. Is it going to harm my hand?
It really shouldn't, as far as I know.
Right.
I hope
afraid
not,
to put my camera over it. Because I'm wondering what kind of ultrasonic stuff is going to do to my image stabilizer.
If your hand's not there, like right now, there is no ultrasonic. So if you
but my camera is going to think it's a strange hand.
Only if it recognizes it as a hand. It's only drawing the feedback when the hand intersects the model there.
So if a cat comes in, then nothing's going to happen.
It shouldn't happen. Nothing should happen.
My cat's not going to.
Unless your cat has a really big hand.
Yeah. Right. Is there a price for this? Do you know?
So this developer kit costs around 7,000. But the Ultrahaptics they actually make, they don't sell this as a device. What they're doing is they provide the hardware to other people so that they can build the Ultrahaptics technology into their applications.
Is it coming?
This is available. This is available right now.
Just dev kit only.
I couldn't tell you where it has been. I think it's been used in some demos around CES and around Vegas. I couldn't tell you where it's actually been used.
There's going to be something about how many kind of things are going on here. There's lots of. Is directional or just going straight up? I guess.
It has. There's a cone that comes out about 30 degrees, and as long as you're within that cone, then you can get the haptic effect.